Wow, and welcome back to Weekend on Wheels, and I'm Girish, and our Leh preparation continues. So today I'm going to show you how to pack for Leh ride if you're traveling for the first time, things to carry, and how I go about prepping myself for Ladakh backpack. So let's just show you that. So here's my entire packing that I've kept. So I am going to use a rucksack, which is a 80-liter rucksack, and then let's start from here. So this is a thermal liner. So I have a thermal one set of thermal liners that will be needed once the weather gets started cold. These are my liners for riding, so I'm going to use two set of liners during riding. Then I'm going to carry 3 t-shirts or 4 t-shirts maximum, that's all. So it's a 13-day ride, but then the number of t-shirts that I'm carrying is just 4. 1 pair of denim, that's it. Then 2 shorts. Yes, that's my packing for when it comes to clothing. Then I have a pair of waterproof socks by Rhinox, and then I have a pair of woolen socks while riding when it gets cold. And then I have a pair of woolen socks. This is not for using during riding, this is to wear when you're staying in a room or hotel where it's really cold, you can wear them. And then 1 cap, head cap, to make sure you keep yourself warm all the time. And then I have 3 balaclavas, different colors. You need balaclavas a lot, so I've got 3. Then this is a very nice thing that you can buy one when you're in Chandigarh or whenever you're in one of those military shops. So this is a neck warmer plus chest warmer, so very nice. You can wear it inside your jacket when you're riding. And then a towel, a nice small Decathlon towel. I just bought a new one. And then 2 shorts. These are nightwear. You can take your joggers, or if you like using long pants, that. And then 3 t-shirts for nightwear again, out of which 1 is quick dry, and then 2 cotton. Belt, can't miss this one, a Rice jersey t-shirt. And then your toilet kit, sunglasses, and comes medicine. And then there are a couple of innerwears, so I'm carrying about 6 pair of innerwears. And from there, let's come on to the gadget part. So I am carrying Insta360 motorcycle bundle. So that's this, yet to pack that. And then I have my GoPro Hero 9 that will go along with me for this trip. And then of course the laptop, and also Blue Armor C30. I've already sent my riding gears, helmets and everything to Chandigarh, and I'll also carry this as my bag, that is Carbonado GT3 bag, which will accompany with all my gadgets, electronics inside that, including my laptop. So this is how I pack basically when I go for our Ladakh ride. Very basic packing, but few of the things are must have, like your base liners, thermal liners. And then most of the time you're riding, so there's no point carrying too many luggage in terms of your clothing. You know, since you're staying for 13 days, few people think you need to wear 13 t-shirts. You do not have to do that if you're using a base liner. All you have to do is just carry 1 or 2 quick dry t-shirt and rotate them. Otherwise you unnecessarily are going to add too much of a weight. And then also when it comes to packing your rucksack, so there is a way scientific way of packing a rucksack. You can't just stuff everything into bag. So this, the very bottom, is for your shoe carrying, shoe and slippers. And then when you pack the other thing, you have to go progressively. So the weight distribution should be very unique. So in the sense, when you wear it on your back, so we are not actually riding with the bag, it will be in the backup van, but otherwise we trek and everything, so that should be slanted. So the weight distribution has to go very ascending order, so that there's a proper distribution of weight. And then I'm also carrying this. This is a chair that you can just open and sit. So I'm going to also carry this. I just forgot to mention that. So that's my packing, and hope I was able to help you guys with 1 or 2 points that you had in mind while packing for your Ladakh trip. If you have any doubts, comment below and ask me if you have any doubts at all. And then answering one more very important question: which SIM card will work in Ladakh? So only a postpaid SIM card will work in Ladakh the minute you enter Ladakh or JNK. No other SIM card will work, as in prepaid. For all the prepaid users, the alternative is to buy a SIM card locally by providing your Aadhaar card. That's the best way to do. And if you ask which network works the best there, so you get both Airtel and Jio there, but Jio has a super network coverage across Ladakh and JNK, including Zanskar Valley. So if you are considering to buy a new postpaid SIM card or plan to buy a SIM card in Ladakh, go with Jio, so you can get connected across. And I hope you like this video. Stay tuned to check out the entire Ladakh series. It's going to be a lot of fun, and I'll see you guys in my next ride once I start my journey. Bye bye, keep it rolling.